morning, students. I, Kanishka Kumar Das, sir, welcome you to your favorite English class. Students, today we are going to discuss about the basic difference between the simple present and present progressive. Students, before going to discuss, you please recapitulate the ideas of simple present and present progressive, the two basic tense forms. Students, we have already discussed that if the verb or finite verb is in simple present form, then the finite verb must be one. Simple means one, I have already talked, and it is in present form. It means that will be in present or S or ES form of main verb. So the sentence can be taken as I go to school. Here I is the subject, go is the finite verb, and it is in present form. If the subject changes, he goes to school, then he is the subject here and goes will be the finite verb, and it is in S or ES form. So out of these forms, or seeing the forms of these verbs, we can guess or easily guess that the verbal forms are in simple present, and if the verbal form is in present progressive, then two verbs will be there. First one will be from be verb and it will be in present form, and second one will be in ing form, that will be the main verb. The sentence can be taken for instance, I am going to market. Here I is the subject, am is the present form of be verb, and going is the main verb, and it is in ing form. Now we are going to discuss where simple present, in which situation simple present will be there, and in which situation present progressive will be there. क्लियर? तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट वर्बल फॉर्म को हम कैसे पहचानेंगे और प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव वर्बल फॉर्म को कैसे पहचानेंगे. तो अगर एक वर्ब वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट में है तो वो प्रेजेंट या एस और एस फॉर्म में रहेगा, और एक वर्ब जो सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार वो अपना रूप को बदल सकता है, जैसे आई गो, ही गोज, ऐसे. अगर ये प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव में है तो दोनों भाव बैठते हैं. पहला भाव वो बी भाव होता है, दूसरा भाव वो मेन भाव होता है और उसका आईएनजी फॉर्म में वो बैठता है. ऐसे ही होता है. तो अभी हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट कौन सा सिचुएशन में बैठता है, प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव कौन सा सिचुएशन में बैठता है, वो डिस्कशन करेंगे. आइए देखते हैं. तो अभी मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन दिखाऊंगा, आप उसको ध्यान से देखिए. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ए सिचुएशन. Dialogues will be delivered. You please listen and look at, then you will guess where present progressive and where simple present will be used. So let's watch the situation. There is a phone call. There is a phone call from Kanishka to Mohan. ये एक फोन कॉल है. कनिष्क फोन कर रहा है मोहन को. कनिष्क, हेलो मोहन. मोहन, यस. मोहन स्पीकिंग. कनिष्क, have you visited Kolkata? Mohan, yes, I am at Bada Bazar, Kolkata. Mohan, yes. Fine. When are you coming back? Mohan, it will be a bit late today. It's raining now in Kolkata. Kanishka, it's okay. Don't forget to buy my jacket. Mohan, okay, bye. Did you watch the dialogue? Did you watch the dialogue carefully? Here, Kanishka is calling Mohan. Mohan is at Kolkata and Kanishka has ordered a jacket. And he is calling and saying that whether he has visited Kolkata, he has bought his jacket, but Mohan is at Kolkata and there, while he was talking with Kanishka, at that moment, it is raining. Okay, so if we say something, if we narrate something, if we narrate about or around our circumstance while we talk, then we use present progressive. So he has used like that. It is raining now. It is raining now in Kolkata. Okay. Now, what's the next situation? Kanishka, hello Mohan, how are you? Mohan, I am fine. Thank you. I am quite busy now. I am packing my bags and baggages. Kanishka, where are you going? Mohan, you don't know? I have to visit to Cherrapunji with my friends. Kanishka, it's okay. But why didn't you inform me? Mohan, sorry. Our college classmates have arranged this study tour. We'll hire a bus and visit there. Kanishka, okay. You reach there and call me as soon as you reach. Describe the natural beauty you view there. Don't forget to pack your raincoats. It always rains at Cherrapunji. Mohan, okay dear Kanishka, you are my well-wisher. Kanishka, have a happy journey. Mohan, thanks. Students, did you watch the situation? Mohan is visiting Cherrapunji and at Cherrapunji, Kanishka had greater knowledge that Cherrapunji is a rainy area. It always rains there. So, he is alarming Mr. Mohan to take his raincoats with him. Okay? It means it always rains there. It always rains. Means every time it rains. Means it is showing recurring action. Recurring action. ये एक्शन बार बार हो रहा है. तो यहां सिंपल प्रेजेंट यूज हुआ है. लेकिन जो पहले हम सिचुएशन को मार्क किए, वहां वो सिचुएशन में क्या हो रहा था कि वो एक क्या था ना, जिस समय बात किया जा रहा है उस समय का सिचुएशन के बारे में बताया गया था. लेकिन अभी का सिचुएशन क्या है कि ये सिचुएशन में कहा जा रहा है कि ये जो एक्टिविटी बार बार हो रहा है या होता है. तो यहां हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट बैठा दिया. ये मार्क कीजिए, इट ऑलवेज रेन्स एट चेरापूंजी. नॉट इट इज ऑलवेज रेनिंग एट चेरापूंजी. Clear? So did you mark the two situations? And in first situation, it is raining now in Kolkata. In second situation, it always rains at Cherrapunji. Clear? First one, in the first situation, it is in present progressive. And in second situation, it is in simple present. Clear? Now, come to the second discussion. If we begin a sentence using I promise, okay, I promise, then it is in simple present. The sentence will be in simple present. I promise I'll write a letter to you. Not I am promising. Don't write like this. I promise I write a letter to you. Second one, I agree. If a sentence begins with I agree, then it is in simple present. I agree to your proposal. Clear? And if a sentence begins like this, I refuse, okay, then it is also in simple present. I refuse to believe that. तो अगर सेंटेंस I promise, I agree, I refuse को लेकर शुरू होता है तो ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट में रहता है, ये प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव में नहीं रहता है. क्लियर हो गए हैं. अभी थर्ड डिस्कशन को आ जाएंगे. नाउ विल डिस्कस I am working at a tannery for a month. See, and I work in a bank. How these two sentences are different from each other. Mark the situation. Watch the situation. Kanishka is saying, "Hello Mohan, how are you?" Mohan, "Hi, I am quite well." Kanishka, What are you doing nowadays? Mohan, I am working at a tannery for a month. Kanishka, did you quit the job at Billa? Mohan, yes, my mother is bedridden. She needs my assistance badly. Kanishka, it's okay. Take her care at home. It's my office time. See you. Mohan, see you. So, did you watch the situation? The situation was like this, that I am working at a tannery for a month. Okay? Mohan was working at Bill, but he quit the job because of a mother's illness. He came home and is now serving her mother. So, near his house, okay, he got a job. And for the short timing, he is engaged in a job. So he said, I am working at tannery for a month. Okay? So it is showing the temporary action, not permanent. बहुत कम दिन हुआ है. ये जो सिचुएशन के बारे में बताया गया है वो बहुत ज्यादा दिन नहीं है, वो बहुत कम दिन का बात है कि अभी अभी उसको जो जॉब मिला है वो टनरी जॉब कर रहा है. लेकिन कम टू द सेकंड सिचुएशन. कनिष्का, हेलो मानस, हाउ आर यू? मानस, I am fine, thank you. What are you doing nowadays? Kanishka, I work in a bank. I am in that bank for the beginning. Manas, you are lucky. I can exhibit my identity as a farmer. Kanishka, don't worry. I respect all jobs. So, students, did you watch the second situation? That Manas is asking Kanishka that what are you doing? So Kanishka said, I work in a bank. What does it mean? Means he is working in that bank from the very beginning. Okay? And it is a permanent action, habitual action, daily action. Okay, and this action has taken place for a long period. So here simple present is used. Clear? तो पहला जो है वो प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव में था क्योंकि वो टेम्पोररी एक्शन था. दूसरा जो है वो आई वर्क इन ए बैंक, ये परमानेंट एक्शन है, ये बहुत लॉन्ग पीरियड का बात किया जा रहा है. तो यहां सिंपल प्रेजेंट बैठ गया है. आई वर्क इन ए बैंक. कम टू द नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन. मालिनी इज ऑलवेज इनवाइटिंग फ्रेंड्स हियर. सो मालिनी इज स्टेइंग नाउ in a rented room, rented house. Okay? And while her owner meets anybody, and he always complains that Malini is always inviting friends here. Clear? It means it is a temporary action. Malini is staying in a rented room, rented house, and From the timing, she is inviting some friends of her to her room, and with this action, okay, her owner is badly annoyed with her. Clear? So, her owner, her house owner, he complains that she is always inviting friends here. Means Malini was not in that habit of inviting friends to her room. Clear? But come to the next situation. Malini always invites us to watch the Kalinga opera. मालिनी हर समय जब कलिंग ओपेरा परफॉर्म करने आता है तब हम लोगों को वो इनवाइट करती है. इसका मीन्स हर समय का बात कर रहा है, रिपीटेड एक्शन की बात किया जा रहा है कि मालिनी जब जब वहां कलिंग ओपेरा परफॉर्म करता है तब मालिनी हम लोगों को इनवाइट करती रहती है. क्लियर? इट मीन्स परमानेंट एक्शन, हैबिचुअल एक्शन, रिपीटेड एक्शन के बात किया जा रहा है तब मालिनी ऑलवेज इनवाइट्स मीन्स द वर्ब इज इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट, इनवाइट्स. सी बट इन द लास्ट डिस्कशन, इन द लास्ट जो डिस्कशन किए थे वो डिस्कशन में हम लोग पाए थे कि मालिनी इज ऑलवेज इनवाइटिंग. इज द फाइनाइट वर्ब एंड फ्रॉम बी वर्ब एंड इनवाइटिंग इज द मेन वर्ब एंड इट इज एडेड ing is added to it. So is inviting means present progressive and always invites, it is in simple present. So students, I think you get the idea in which situation simple present is used and in which situation present progressive is used. I think you will do well in the upcoming examination. If you have understood well, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share it with the poor and needy students, and then they will be benefited out of it. Thank you very much.